Hey RBians, this is RB and welcome to my channel RBanaChopper. Hope you all are doing good and a very happy 75th Independence Day to each and everyone watching this video. Like my previous video, in this video also I will show you 3 different kind of recipes that I'm going to make, and today's recipe is completely dedicated to Independence Day, and today I'm going to make tricolor kebabs, and the first one is chicken tikka kebab, second one is chicken Reshmi kebab, and the third one is chicken Hariyaali kebab, which we all love. And today's video is completely for those who are very health conscious, as I am also in a weight loss mission. So today's video is completely fat free and it's very good for weight loss. I use no oil, but if you want you can put a little bit of white oil in the marinations. Those who don't have OTG, they can easily make this recipe on gas oven, on a tawa or a barbecue or a tandoor. So this is very easy recipe. Please do make this recipe and let me know about what you think. And for more information you can go to the description box. I have given all the details about this recipe in my description box. And please like this video and watch till the end and share as much as you can with your friends and family. And if you are new to this channel, then please subscribe this channel and hit that notification bell. So let's go to the recipe now.